Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make taco rice. Taco rice is a traditional food in Okinawa. Actually, I'm not an Okinawa person, but I often make taco rice, especially in summer. Before making it, I'll explain about Okinawa using a map. This is the map of Japan. Okinawa is island and the southern part of Japan. Okinawa is famous for beautiful ocean, unique foods, and delicious fruits. The climate in Okinawa is different from other parts of Japan. It is subtropical oceanic climate. This climate affects to create unique and special food culture, so there are many traditional dishes in Okinawa. Okinawa foods were also affected from other countries and developed them to own style. Okinawa gives great diversity to Japanese culture. The culture of Okinawa is really interesting. I'm very happy I'll introduce traditional food in Okinawa. Yes, let's make taco rice. First, I'm going to cut tomato and onion. This is half of onion. I'm going to mince it. At first, I make a cut as finely as possible. This is very important to mince it finely. Okay, I turn the onion. Then I make a cut horizontally and do it from bottom side. I'm sure it's easier to cut from the bottom. Good. And chop it very finely. Okay, and then I transfer it to a bowl and add water to match the sharpness of the onion. Okay, I leave it for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I'm going to drain the sieve. Today I use a clean cloth to squeeze it. I transfer the onion to it and squeeze out the excess water well. Okay, I prepared the onion and set it aside. Next, tomato. I'm going to cut it into small dices. First, I slice it about 1 cm in intervals. Then, I cut them into sticks. Finally, I cut them into dices. Okay, and then I transfer them to the bowl. Nice. And I mix them well. The taste of this sauce is really summer-like and tasty. Okay, I add 2 pinches of salt. Although I use Tabasco today, koregusu is a traditional spicy seasoning in Okinawa, which is made from shima togarashi like chili pepper. Please add it as much as you like. Tomato sauce is done. Probably I think it's similar to salsa sauce. This sauce will make the dish beautiful and refreshing. Okay, I keep it in the fridge. Then I'm going to blend the sauce of taco meat. First, 3 grams of Tenmenjan. This is my original and essential for my recipe. Next, I add 50 grams of ketchup. And add 25 grams of Worcester sauce. In my research, the origin of Worcester sauce is UK. Do you use Worcester sauce in your daily life? Then I add 10 grams of soy sauce. I mix them. Nice. The sauce is done. This is 300 grams of ground pork. I sprinkle a pinch of salt and add black pepper. Then I turn over the meat. And I add a pinch of salt and black pepper again. Okay, I set it aside for a while. Meanwhile, I'm going to mince the onion as well. I cut the onion a bit more roughly than before. Good. Let's make taco meat. I add the salad oil, and the level of fire is medium. Then I add onion, which I've just cut now, and I stir. I cook the onion until it becomes transparent. Good, like this. And I add the ground pork to the pan and mix them well. I keep stirring until the meat breaks down. The juice of meat became transparent. I cook the meat until it looks like this. It's very important to enhance the flavor. And then I add sauce to this vacant space. I heat only the sauce to bring out the fragrance from Tenmenjan and ketchup. Once the sauce boils, I mix the sauce and meat well. The smell is amazing. Good, the sauce and meat have been mixed nicely. Great, taco meat is done. At last, I'm going to cut lettuce. You can cut lettuce before cooking the meat. I roll them to cut comfortably. And I cut them into finely strips. I recommend to cut them as thin as possible. The texture will be amazing. Nice. I transfer the lettuce to the bowl and rinse it. Okay. I prepared all ingredients: lettuce, meat, tomato, and shredded cheddar cheese. And I arranged the sticky rice on a plate. First, I place lettuce on the rice. And add tomato sauce on the lettuce. Nice. Then I arrange taco meat on top. Finally, I top cheddar cheese on it. Good, taco rice is done. Fresh lettuce and tomato go well with juicy meat. Please try it. Thank you. Did you enjoy? You can preserve tomato sauce and taco meat for 3 to 4 days in the fridge. So I recommend to make them a bit more and eat it for quick lunch and dinner. I hope you will enjoy taco rice. And I've already introduced one Okinawa food, Goya champuru, in my channel. If you like, please watch it. Goya champuru is also very popular and tasty. The main ingredient of it is bitter melon. At last, I'm really interested in the culture of Okinawa, so I'd like to learn about Okinawa and make much more informative and enjoyable videos. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.